Hello everyone. So in today's video we are going to see how we can allow negative stocks for a plant. So for that we need to go to SPRO, SAP reference IMG, then logistics general, uh, then material management, here inventory management and physical inventory, then goods issue and transfer posting. From here we can select allow negative stocks. So here we can, from position, we can find our plant, and for plant we just have to select negative stocks are allowed. Save it. So this is how we can allow negative stocks for our plant.